Today we're jumping back into Lightroom for some more editing. Now, I do have a special announcement. On this channel, I've covered my hidden beauty preset, which is my Moody preset, but today I have something new for you. Yes, today I'm releasing the hidden beauty preset volume 2, and this one is a little bit different. But one of the biggest differences that you will see is that the volume 2 version of this preset already has all the masks applied to it. So today we're gonna edit a couple of different portraits with the volume 2 version of the Moody preset, or the hidden beauty preset. And I'm also going to compare it to the previous version of the preset, just so that you can see the before and after, or just a comparison between volume 1 and volume 2. Welcome and welcome back. My name is Sam. This is Newman Photographs, and on this channel I create photography content. If that's what you're into, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any new content. Well, enough yapping, let's get into Lightroom. So here I am in Lightroom, and I have this portrait set up here and ready to go. Now, this is a portrait I shot during one of my shoot photography walks. You can watch it on this channel or on my Instagram at Newman Photographs. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is apply the preset, which I have right here, the hidden beauty preset V2. And boom, as you can see, it already has transformed the image. If we do a quick before and after, you can really see how much greater the portrait is. Now, here's one of the biggest differences with the volume 2 version of the preset. If we go right here to the masking, you can see that it already has applied all of these different masks. Firstly, we have a mask applied for the face. So this will detect the facial features of your subject in any portrait. And what it will do is it will smoothen the face just a little bit, and it will also raise the shadows to add some more light in the face. Then we have a mask here. Well, this mask is for the eyes. As you can see here, there is this sign, this warning sign. This is just because, well, in this portrait, we can't see her eyes because her eyes are closed, but I will use it on another portrait where her eyes are open so that you can see what that does. So basically for the eyes, what it's doing is it's raising the shadows of the eyes to make them a little brighter, and it's raising the texture all the way to make the eyes sharp. Then we have another mask. This mask is selecting the background, and it's making the background darker so that the subject can stand out. And we also have this radial gradient right here, which is a radial gradient over the subject's face to make their face a little bit brighter. Because you already know my editing style, I always want the face to be the brightest part of the image. So this is looking great to me. I might make it a little warmer, say 4900. Yeah, something like this. So this looks perfect to me. And guys, this was just like a one-click edit. Now, with the first version of this preset, you would apply the preset, and then you would have to do, well, all the work that comes in, right? Well, some adjustments, doing all the masks and all that stuff. But with the volume 2, all that is already done for you. And by the way, you can get this preset using the first link in the description below. Okay, so right here I have the photo with the first version of the Moody preset, and right here on the right is the volume 2 version of the Moody preset. Basically, all I've done here is I've just applied the preset, and you can already see what it's doing. But in the volume 2, as I said, all the effects, all the masks are already applied. So it does all the work for you. It is essentially a one-click edit. Well, for the most part, always go in and make some, adjustments so that you're sure that it fits your photo, as I always say. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and choose another photo, say this one right here. Okay, so here I have this portrait, right? All I've done so far is just reframe it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna apply the hidden beauty preset volume 2. Watch what happens. Boom, all the edits, all the settings, everything is already done. Again, I'm just going to warm the image up a little bit more, just like this, by raising the temperature. But as you can see, it's already done. It's fully edited. If we go to the masking, right, we can adjust the radial gradient so that it's right on her face. Now you can see what this mask is doing for her eyes. Watch what it's doing to her eyes. See? It's making the eyes a little brighter and a lot sharper. And again, this took like not even 2 minutes to do. It's just literally one click, and then you do some minor adjustments. Okay, so let's use it on this portrait here. Okay, again, same thing. I'm going to apply the hidden beauty preset volume 2, and it's just gonna take a second so that it can apply all the effects and all the masks, and boom, There it is. Again, we're gonna go in and make sure that the radial gradient is right here, okay? I like to put it in between the eyes. I might even raise it a bit more, okay? The white balance looks just fine to me. And yeah, I mean, this is it. This didn't even took 20 seconds to do. You can really edit your photos in seconds with this preset. I mean, the way it works is just amazing. So this is the before and this is the after. Look how sharp her eyes are. I mean, this is great. This is just great. Okay, let's use it on one more portrait. I'm gonna use it on this one. Okay, so same thing. I'm gonna go here on my presets and use the Hidden Beauty Volume 2 preset. And boom, I didn't cut anything. This took seconds, right? So as usual, I'm gonna go in the mask and make sure that the mask is right here. Okay, you can already see how it's darkening the background, how it's making her eyes a lot sharper and a lot brighter. If I take out all the masks, you can see the difference that it's making. And the white balance is actually looking pretty good, so I might not even tweak that too much. To me, this looks great. Again, this took barely 20 seconds to do. If you want to edit your photos in seconds and give them this moody vibe, this preset is for you. And if you like my work, you like my videos, you like my channel, and you want to support me, this is a great way of doing this. You can find this preset using the first link in the description below. You can also find it along with my 2 other presets, the Volume 1 version of the Hidden Beauty preset and the Golden Memoir preset, which is my film preset. I definitely want to showcase this preset in a lot more videos in a bunch of different ways. So if you want to see that, make sure to like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss when I come out with new videos. Watch this video right here where I talk about my film preset, which I just mentioned a couple seconds ago. And you can click here to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative, keep creating. God bless you. Check out my presets, and I'll see you in the next one.